Hello and welcome to the Resolving Forces revision video from scienceworksheets.co.uk. Please subscribe to support the channel. If you find the video helpful, give us a like. A single force can be resolved into two components acting at right angles to each other. So if we take an example here of a diagonal force, this will have a vertical component and a horizontal component. Then you draw a rectangle using a dashed line. As this meets to form a rectangle perfectly, it means you've resolved the force correctly. Let's take an example of a ball rolling down a ramp. The ball will have a weight force which acts directly down, and we're going to split that weight force into two component forces using arrows. So we're going to draw an arrow from the origin of the weight, which is perpendicular to the ramp, so it forms a 90-degree angle to the ramp. Then we're going to draw another arrow, again from the origin of the weight, which is parallel to the ramp. Then finally use a dotted line to complete the rectangle. The force arrow is 5 cm long in the diagonal direction. Using a scale of 1 cm equals 10 newtons. This means that the force arrow represents 50 newtons, and we're going to split this into two component forces on the scale diagram. So we will draw an arrow upwards from the origin, and that is 4 cm or 40 newtons. Then we'll draw another arrow again from the origin, this time horizontally to the right, which is 3 cm or 30 newtons. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to support the channel.